So let us do the recap of yesterday. What is we learned? The last class what we learned. Okay. So if you have not learned the arrays, don't sit for this session which you may not understand. Better you complete the arrays and come. So what are the rules we saw? Okay. The first rule is what we said was if you want to see all the elements of the array once, you must have a for loop. Okay, this is the first rule we said. Okay. Second, what we said, if you want to modify the elements of an array, what we must know the index. We must know the index. Next, what we said, if you want to move the elements of the array, what I need to do, create an empty location. Then we said if you want to see multiple elements at the same time, use multiple index variables in the loop. Then we said what if you while you are using index variables, the larger index must be less than the number of elements and the smaller index must be what? Greater than 0. And then we spoke about if you want to see all the elements more than once, we must use a nested loop. Okay, these are the rules we spoke. Remember that because today's session is going to be on strings. String is also an array. Therefore, all the rules what we spoke is applicable there also. So today now let's learn about strings in C. Okay. Yeah. First question is what is a string? A string is nothing but an array of character. How do you declare an array of character? You are declared like this. Character A of 10. By writing this, what you are doing? You are creating an array of size 10. There are 10 bytes have been allotted for you. And then this is stored in the memory. The first address of this is stored where? In the pointer called A, and it is a constant pointer. Remember that, yeah? 116, 117, 118, it goes like this. What each block can store? Each block can store an ASCII value of a character. Now, I want to initialize this. How to initialize this? If you want to initialize this, I will do that. You'll say here equal to character, right? I put H in a single quote. When I put H in a single quote, what will be stored inside this? The ASCII value of H, the binary form of the ASCII value of H. That means here, binary form of the ASCII value of H is supposed to be 71. 71 will be stored in the binary form here. 71 is stored here as 71. But for you to understand, I am writing here in this place H. H is not stored. The binary form of the ASCII value is stored. Now I write here in this place E. I put 101, not in a single quote. If you put 101, yes, 101 is stored. The 101 is stored in the binary form, but I am writing the corresponding character E. Remember, in this place H is not stored, 71 is stored. In this place, E is not stored. 101 only is stored. Now I am writing here L. The ASCII value of L is stored here. L. The ASCII value of L is stored here. O. The ASCII value of O. Then what is stored here? If you initialize a character at the line of declaration, remaining all blocks will be initialized to 0. That means in this place 0 is stored, 0 is stored, 0 is stored, 0 is stored. In this place 101 is stored. 101 I wrote as what? E, right? 101 I wrote as what? E. 71 I wrote as what? H. 0 I should write as backslash 0. Backslash 0 is a character for 0. 101 is a character for E. 71 is a character for H. Okay. So now the next is here in this place is, yeah, I wrote it. Now I'm going to say here in this case, if I say here A, what is the output I should get? I should get 115. Correct, right? If you want to print it, yes, print percentage U. Right? Okay. A means 115. A will give you the first address. If I put percentage S here, it will start printing from 115 till it reaches the backslash 0, which is called null character. It will keep on printing from the address till it reaches what? A null character. Now look at this. That means that if I say here right now, A plus 2, what I'll get? If I add 2 with a character point, it'll jump 2 bytes. Okay, that means by A plus 2, when he said, I get 117. If we put percentage S, that will get A plus 2. LLO. Sir, if I say here, what about if I say star A? A is 1 on 5. Star A means value at 1 on 5. Value at 1 on 5 is what? 71. If you put percentage D, I'll get the ASCII value of H, that is 71, I suppose. If you put A of 0, I'll get percentage D. Also, I'll get what? 71. But A of 0 is nothing but star of A plus 0, which is star A. That means if you write A of 0 and if you put percentage C, I'll get what? H. Got it? That means that in this place H is not stored. But in display, if you give me the binary form of 71, if you put percentage C, I will give the corresponding character for 71. That's it. Whenever you supply an address of a character and if you supply percentage S, it will start printing from the address till it reaches a null character. That's it. Got it? Now look at this. I am going to write it in this cases. Printf percentage D A of 1. I get A of 1 square bracket. I get what I'll get 101. If we put percentage C, I'll get what? A of 1 would give me what? Yeah, yeah. Okay, sir, but I wrote it like this. I wrote it by mistake. I wrote it in this place. A of 2 is equal to 65. A of 2 is 65. What is stored here? In this place, 65 means what I will write it A. That means if I put right now percentage S A, I'll get what? HE ALO. HE what? ALO. Why? Because A put. No, sir, I wrote like this. A of 2 is equal to, I wrote here in this place, E in a single quote. When you put E in a single quote, what you substituted? The ASCII value of E, that is 101. That means if I write a percentage SA, what I'll get? HEELO. No, sir, I wrote it by mistake like this. A of 2 is equal to 0. When you write 0, what you're doing? In this place, 0 you are storing. 0 means its corresponding ASCII character. What I'll put here? What? Backslash 0. That means after this we put percentages A. If we put it, I'm going to get here in this place HE. Why? Because you'll start printing from 1 on 5 till it reaches a null character. Done. Percentage S. I put right now in this place A plus 3. Oh, A plus 2 will give you 117. A plus 3 will give you 118. I'll get what? LO. Now look at this. I am going to say here right now A of 2 is equal to backslash 0 in a single quote. What is store here? You store the 0. 0 means what I will write? Backslash 0. Because when you put slash 0 in a single quote, what is stored? The 0. I put percentage as A. I'll get what in this case? HE. Why? Because it will start printing from the first address till it reaches the null character. Got it? Therefore, a character array does not hold characters, is called ASCII value of characters. Okay? B of 10. What are you doing? By this you created an array. You create an array of size what? 10. This is B of 0. This is B of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The address is there. You can also initialize a string using a string constant. B of 10 is equal to hello. That is what you are doing. B of 10 is equal to hello means what you are doing here in these places. You are putting right now here by writing this statement by hello, hello is called as a string constant. When you write a string constant, the constants also will be stored in the memory. The constant also stored in the memory of how many bytes? How many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it is stored in 6 bytes. Why, sir? This constant, when you write it, H is here, E is here, L is here, L is here, O is here, and it is stored with the backslash 0 inside, null character. Remember, H is not there, as H is there. This is stored in a memory. This is stored in a memory of ROM, read-only memory. So let's say the address of this is 812, 813, 814, 81567. When you wrote here in a double quote hello, what you have written, when you run a program in this place, hello is not existing. What is existing? 812 is existing. What the system does, it copies from 812 to this array till it reaches the null character. The last time now, we had many null character because you initialize character by character. Therefore, as per the rule, the remaining blocks will be automatically initialized to what? 0. Whereas here, how many null characters? Only 1. That means if I say B means, what is the output I'm going to get? 125. If we put percentage U. But no, if we put B and if we put a percentage S, what I'm going to get? I get what? No, the same. B plus 2. What I'll get? LLO. If you put percentage S, remember. Rest all same. B of 0. What I'll get? H. B of 0 is star of B plus 0. Star of B is 125. Star is here. I put percentage C. I'll get H. The rest all same. Rest all is what same. I can say here B of 2 is equal to 0. What you did? B of 2 is 0 means here what you put what? A backslash 0. That means if I put percentage SB, I'll get what? HG. Understand? Got it? Okay? Yeah? Okay. No, sir. Can I say then B is equal to high? Why? B means you are referring this block. High means you are going to get an address of a constant. The address of a constant cannot be stored here. Why? Because it is a constant pointer. Okay, sir, then can I say like this? Can I say character pointer P? What you did, by this you created a pointer called as what? P. Can I say P is equal to hello? Yes. Sir, P is not an array. No. P need not be an array. What P is going to hold? Address of the constant 812. So what is the difference between this line and this line? Here it was taking the content and copying inside the array. Here it is copying the address in P. Understand a significant difference. If I say percentage SP, I'll get hello. No doubt. Percentage C, P of 0. Yeah, I'll get what? H. Percentage S. P plus 2. Yeah, I'll get LLO only same. Because address of a constant is given. So now my question comes here. Can I say P of 2 is equal to 0? No. Why no? Simple reason. P is a pointer to a constant. What do you mean by this? P is holding an address of a constant. If it's holding an address of a constant, using the pointer, I can't change the value. You can't make a change here. Sir, you can't make a change here. Why? P is holding an address of a constant. I can't change here. That's it. Now the next here, see. Sir, no, sir, I want to take the value from the user. Okay, before I take the value from the user, I have written character P of 10 is what? Can I say character C of 10 is equal to B? What it will do? Here you supply first address, it will keep on copying from this memory to this. So then can I say C is equal to B? No. Why? On the next line, C is a constant pointer. You can't put a new address in. That means if you are assigning, it can be only done at the line of declaration. After the line, it can't be done. So next is here, I want to scan the value from the user. Okay, don't worry if you want to scan character C of 20. I want to scan. Oh, scanning is unlike what? Enter a string. Unlike the integer array, you don't need to put a for loop to scan. You can put percentage yes, comma C. C means what you are doing. You are supplying the first address. It will scan the string for you. How long it will scan the string for you? Till you press a space bar or the enter. When you press a space bar, let's say this was your memory, 20 bytes you allotted. I have here C of 10. I put here, let's assume here 215. Address starts, I put here. Now what happened? Enter a string. I enter a string. When I put C means what I supplied. When I scan, I need to provide the address. C means I'm providing the address. Percentage S means what it is going to keep on accepting a string. How long? I entered here hello to all. But what will be stored inside? Only hello. Once you press a space bar, the space bar will be converted into a backslash zero. After that, whatever you store, you won't be able to what? Access it. Okay, no sir. I want to scan. I want to store hello to all inside. Okay, don't worry. In this case, don't use percentage. Yes, you need to use scanner percentage. Okay, square bracket caret sign which is above your 6 above 6 and slash n backslash n. In this case what will do, you'll keep on storing till you press a enter key. Slash n represents what? Enter key. If you put slash t till you press a tab, will keep on accepting. If you press here, in this case here I put a, it'll keep on accepting till you press a. That's it. It's a meaning of this. Okay. In this case, if you enter hello to all will be stored inside. So if you like my session, kindly share, subscribe, and like. So let us solve some problems on a string. Okay. So I've been given a character array. Taken an input, whatever it is here. Okay. I'm not taking an input. I wrote like this. Okay, let's say put 20. If I write like this, what will happen? It creates an array of size what? 20. Correct now? Goes like this. Correct? This is we call area of 0. This area of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the address of this is stored here. And I have here right now H V L L O O and backslash zeros. Correct now? So see, now what I want to find, I want to find how many characters are there in this string. How many characters are there in this what? String. Okay. If you want to find how many characters are in the string, what I need to do? I need to what? See each block. Correct? I need to see each what? Block. And if I see a character, I need to increase the counter point. How long I need to see? Oh, in a character, in an integer array, in a double array, we know the number of elements in this. Here I don't need to know. Why? Because every string ends with what? A null character. Okay. So I need to keep on seeing till I see a null character. Whenever I see a character, I need to increase the counter by 1. Okay. Therefore, what I need to do in this case, I am going to put a counter. Counter is what? 0. Right? Counter is 0 initially. Now, what I need to do, I have to go through one character. From where I should start? From the beginning. How a one character increase the counter, right? Now, how long I need to see till I see the null character? Null character is what? I is an index. I is an index, right? But null character is an index or null character is a value in the index? It is a value in the index, correct? Therefore, what I'm going to write? If I say value in the index, what I should write? A of I not equal to null, which is equivalent of writing A of I is not equal to backslash 0 is equivalent of writing A of I is not equal to 0. Why? Because backslash 0 when you put, what you get what? 0. Which is also you can simply write A of I. Why? A of I will be either 0 or non-zero. This is non-zero, this is non-zero, 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 non-zero. This is 0. That means till I get 0, right? Therefore, for a condition, till it when it's 0, it will come out, right? This is what we said, right? Therefore, what I'm going to do in this case is, I'm going to, when I is 0, A of 0 give me h, not h, ASCII value of h, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, I increase the counter by 1. Now, I became 1. A of 1 is E, not equal to. Increase the counter by 2. 1, that is become 2. I became 2. It's this. I became 3 is I became 4. When I became 5, A of 5 gave me what? Null. Null is nothing but 0. 0 is not equal to 0. Condition becomes what? False. I'm going to come out. When I come out, I'm going to say printf. The number of characters is percentage d. I should put what? C. Okay. What is the principle I applied? I saw all the elements one by one. If you want to see all the elements one by one, I need a loop. But how long I saw till I reach a null character? What was null? Null is not the index. Null is what? The value. Therefore, I wrote A of I is not equal to what? Null. Okay. Yeah. Let's type it and see. Okay. Character. I want to take a string from the user. If you want to take the string from the user, printf, enter a string. Scanner percentage yes. Okay, correct now. What I should do? You're right. I is equal to 0. Till where I need to go? Till I reach the null character. A of I is not equal to what? Null character. Backslash 0. Remember, backslash in a single quote. If you put directly, you can also put 0. Why? Backslash 0 means 0. Okay. I plus plus. What I need to do every time I need to increase the counter by 1. Therefore, I need a counter. C is equal to 0. I put C plus plus. Right. Now what I can do? Printf number of characters. Comma what? C. Right. And the code. Enter a string. Hello. Hello. Okay. So I put hello to all. When I put hello to all, enter. How many string characters are there in hello to all? Oh, it's saying only 5. Why? The simple reason is percentage yes does not accept what? Does not accept a space. You wrote hello to all. You took only hello. So if you want to accept a space, what I should do? I ask you to put what? A square bracket, raised to sign, and slash. It's called caret sign and slash. What is the meaning of this? It will keep on accepting till you press a enter key. I'm going to run. I'm going to say hello to all. I got the 12. Why 12? Sir, only 10 can know. Space is also considered as a character. Space is also considered as a character here. Got it? Yeah? Cool. So let's see now the next problem is, I want to find out how many, how many what? Vowels are there in the given string? How many vowels? What is a vowel? E, I, O, U. Correct now? So if you want to see count the number of vowels, what I need to do? I need to go through one block. Correct? When I see you go through one block, when I need to increase the counter by one, if I see a vowel, okay. So I see first time H is not a vowel, E is a vowel, L is a vowel, L is a vowel, O is a vowel, L is not a vowel, L is not a vowel, and O is a vowel. That means whenever I see a vowel, I will increase the counter by one. How long I need to do till I reach a null character? That means I saw all the elements of the array once till I reach a null. Whenever I see a character whose ASCII value is matching with the ASCII value of the vowel, I'll increase it. Okay. So let's go to the code. What I should do? When I need to increase a character by one, I don't need to increase for every character. I need to only increase for the vowel. That means I need to put a if a of I is equal to a, correct now? I already told you in the if when I dot r, you can't put e here. Why? If you put e, right hand side of r is a non-zero. It will directly give you what? True. I need to compare whether it is what? A of I is equal to e, or a of I is equal to I, or a of I is equal to O, or a of I is equal to U. It's a vowel. Got it? I think this is. But sir, okay, let's run a code and see first. Let's run a code and see first. Okay, I'm going to put it right now. HCLLO to all. I got number of vowels. Sorry, I put number of vowels is what? 4. Correct? But sir, what about if I enter uppercase? The ASCII value will not match. What do you do? One option is you write the uppercase also separate. Otherwise, convert the uppercase to lowercase. I will write it if, yeah, a of I is greater than or equal to what? 65, and instead of putting a in a single quote, you can also put what? 65. A of I is less than or equal to what? Z. Then what I should do? I need to convert a of I is equal to a of I plus what? 32. Correct? So if you want print and see, your whole string must have been converted into what right now? Into lowercase. String percentage s, comma what? I run the code. I enter low to all. Okay, I entered all in what is right now. So all will be converted into lowercase, not uppercase. I put right now HELLO to all. Okay, right? What happens? All will be converted into what? Lowercase, and the number of vowels is what? 4. Number of vowels is 4. Okay, now if if you want to convert into what? Uppercase, what I should do then? If you see a lowercase character, subtract what? 32. Subtract 32, it will become a lowercase. It will become what? A lowercase. Okay, got it? Yeah. I hope that you understood this. Okay, you don't need the math knowledge. Now my next problem is, see, remember all the rules you need to remember. Okay, the next problem is I have been given a string. I need to reverse this string. What we need to do was here, we need to what? Reverse this string. Okay, now, if you want to reverse this string, what I need to do? I need to bring the O here and put the H. I have to put the L here, put the E here. This L will remain in the same place. Correct now? First time I swapped the first and last. the second and second last. How many characters I saw at a time? Two characters. One is from the beginning, other one is from the end. Correct? Yeah. So now one is from the beginning, other one is from the end. Therefore, two indexes are needed. One is I is 0. What is j should be? I need to know j is what? J should be 4 in this example. Why 4? The number of characters is 5. Because in the fifth index who's existing what? Null. Number of characters is 5. I need to start with 4. Therefore, what I need to know? I need to know the number of characters. Therefore, I need to have now I need to know the number of characters. Therefore, I put a n is 0. I put 4. I is equal to 0. A of I is not equal to null. And what? I plus plus. And put I write what? N plus plus. Right? It gives n by 1, right? Now, when I come out of this, what is my n? N is going to be 5. Why? Because you are counting from 0 to null, right? Now, 5. I need to start from 4. We saw very clearly how long I need to do till I reach the middle, because one is coming from this side, other one is from this side. I is less than j. One index was increasing, other index was what? Decreasing. What I need to do? I need to swap them. T is equal to A of I. In A of I need to store what? A of j. In A of j, I need to store the T. I need to store what? The T. Correct? I hope that you understood this. When I is 0, j is 4. I swap 0 and 4. When I is 1, j is what? 3. I swap 1 and 3. When I is 2, j is 2. I'll come out and I want to print it. What I need to do? Print everything is percentage. Yes. I put what? A. Hello. Sorry, lol. Got it? Okay, now what do you do? Find whether the given string is a palindrome. Find whether the given string is a palindrome. What is a palindrome? The reverse and the forward is same. Nitin. Reverse and the forward is what? Same. I want to say Malayalam. The reverse and the forward is what? Same. Got it? Yeah. Therefore, what I need to do? The reverse and the forward both has to be what? Same. What I need to compare this with this. If it is equal, go and compare the next one. If it is equal, go and compare the next one. What do I mean by this? Malayalam equal. Go to the next. Malayalam A equal. Go to the next. L equal. Go to the next. A equal till you reach the middle. Now, sir, now here in the place of Malayalam, MALAYAL X sum it is written. So M and M is equal. If it is equal, go to the next. But A and X is not equal. What I should do? Stop it. Once you say stop this, that means it is not a palindrome. That means when you come out of the loop, you need to know whether you have completed the loop or stopped the loop. If you stop the loop, means it is not a palindrome. If not, what a palindrome. When I should stop the loop, if that's when you are reading from the left to right and right to left, if the corresponding character is not matching, stop the loop here. Otherwise, continue. Okay. Write a code, please go ahead. Okay, I hope you tried. First, what I need to know, I need to move in both the directions, right? Therefore, I need to know the number of characters first, right? I found the number of characters. In a string, I need to know the number of characters. I put C plus plus. What I should do next, what? After reading the number of characters, and to read in both the direction. One is I is 0. J is what? Equal to C minus 1, right? What I should write what? Till you reach the middle. I plus plus comma what? J minus minus. Done. Next, what I should do? I will say here, if A of I is not equal to A of J. If it is equal, I don't need to worry. Continue the next one. If it is not equal, what I need to do? Stop. Now, how do I know? So when you are going to come out of the loop, one is you will come out because of break, other one is yours because of this. If you come out because of break, it is not a palindrome right now. Therefore, put a flag. Integer flag is equal to 0. No, flag is initially you assume here it is a palindrome. If it's not, make the flag a 0. When you come out of the loop, your flag will have either 1 or 0. When it will be 0, if you find a character in between not matching. Therefore, write if flag is equal to 1, what I can say, the string is a palindrome. Percentage is a palindrome. Comma what? Comma A. Yes. String is percentage is not a palindrome. Not a right. Okay, sir. I'm going to run the code. I got this. J I have not declared. I'm sorry. Comma J. Run the code for I. Oh, sorry. Each initialization should be separated by a comma. Each initialization should be separated by a comma. Remember that. Enter a string. Enter Nitin. It is a palindrome. Nitin is a palindrome. And I entered Malayalam. It's a palindrome. And I say here in this case, my name is Jude. I say it's not a palindrome. But sir, I have one problem. Look at this. I have put Nitin. I put Nitin, right? It's not a palindrome. Why? Because the ASCII value of uppercase and lowercase is not same. Correct? So what to do in this case? Convert the string into what? If you want to get this one, convert the string into what? Uppercase or lowercase convert karo. What to do in this case? I can directly here itself write what I can do. When I should convert if a of I am converting into what? Uh, Lowercase. Okay. Let's convert into uppercase. If it is a and a of I is what? Less than or equal to what? Z. I need to what? Subtract 32. A of I minus equal to 32. And I'm going to say here now, if I run it, everything will come in what? See, C++ is outside the if, remember. I write Nitin. It's a palindrome. I convert into what uppercase. Okay, cool.